what's in a snap? No, not that snap. This snap. Meet CROWBITS, the magnetic programming blocks for STEM education that are compatible with Lego. You can create thousands of projects by combining 80+ modules in different ways. Can you imagine that? Here we go. Snap the CROWBITS together, drag and play with customized coding software Let's Code, and build exciting projects like an ultrasonic car. Build your muscles with the gym rat. Or DIY a guitar and rock out. Is it enough? No! Build innovative projects beyond your imagination with Lego blocks, cardboard, or any materials you want. But wait, are you ready for the ultimate CROWBITS machine? Check this out. So, how's it all done? CROWBITS comes in 3 different level kits for kids to start, from no coding required to coding, and then free your imagination. With detailed courses, enhance your hands-on ability by building projects step by step. And the best part? Snap and play right out of the box. No coding needed. But if coding is your thing, all CROWBITS modules are programmable. Programmed through Let's Code, a customized graphic programming software based on Scratch 3.0 to challenge your friends. DIY a fully functioning phone. Or a game console that works. No way. Really? Join us. It all starts with a snap.